How to split screen on Windows. So first of all, you have to open settings. For that, click on the search icon and search for settings. Once you're on the settings, click on system from this menu bar on your left hand side, and here scroll down a bit and click on multitasking. Once you're here, make sure you have turned on this toggle that says snap windows. If you click on this arrow, you will have all this option and make sure all of that is marked. So once you have turned on this toggle, what you can do is, in order to split up your screen, so on the same setting page, if you click on this maximize or minimize icon from your top right corner, there you have different layout option. So if you want to split up your screen in two, there is this option right here. You can have other layout as well. So let's go with this two layouts or two screen. So you have to click on one at rear right, and on the next side you can choose a window that you want in your screen. For example, I want this right here. So you can arrange this, or you can arrange your screen the way you want, and with that you have two screen in your interface. Again, if you hover your mouse over there, you can choose different other layouts as well. If you click on this one right here, now you have an option to choose from here and here. So that's the way you can split screen on Windows, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.